Probably because it isn't Cooking School's 1991 Hannibal Academy Imagination and Inspiration Chef. Dr. Lecter shirt really true. He had a hand in the later. But he was 90 years late to invent it. The first electric lamp was invented shortly after Volta invented the electric pile by Humphrey Davy. 1802. The first encapsulated light bulb was invented by Warren de la Rue. 1848. Joseph Swan improved on that by reducing the cost of the filament and using a vacuum tube to reduce its oxidation. 1860. Edison's innovation was to use a thinner filament and a harder vacuum. 1879. The lower cost and increased lifetime making the bulb commercially viable. Cooking School's 1991 Hannibal Academy Imagination and Inspiration Chef Dr. Lecter shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. He later went to work for Cooking School's 1991 Hannibal Academy Imagination and Inspiration Chef. Dr. Lecter shirt. Edison. Other products.